Yo, what's up guys? It's Trader X one more time, coming to you from Soweto. Now I want to do this quick video for you guys because I got a DM not so long ago from one of the guys that is my friends on Facebook, right? Asking me about, you know, why would they want to test, you know, when they can demo trade their strategy. So here's a simple reason. Now this page, or rather this profile that I have open here, is my automated testing system, right? I just want to show you why you need to test, basically. Now if we go over to, this is now a normal Euro USD, chart. Let me just, this is a normal Euro USD chart, right? And this here is the one that I'm testing on. I'll show you just in a minute. Okay, so now let me just make it quick for you guys, right? So say for instance you found a strategy that dictates that you need two moving averages, right? A 10 exponential moving average as well as a higher moving average. Let's just say 60 simple moving average. Let's make that, I'll say red. Click on OK. So the idea here is whenever the red moving average crosses below the blue moving average, which is the higher one, then you start buying, right? And you only exit once the price, or once price starts moving in a different direction, or rather not really when price, but when it crosses over again. So the idea is you trade crossovers, like as you see here, it's crossed over here, so signaling that you need to start buying, right? So you only buy whenever price kind of moves above both of the moving averages, right? And you exit when it starts to turn, or when the slow moving average, I mean the fast moving average, crosses below to the downside of the slow moving one, right? So you trade crossovers basically. Now if we take the same thing and we take it into, you know, the normal chart, right? So let's do this indicator. Let me do this real quick. So 60 simple. Remember the same tools that you're going to be using, right? Same technical indicators. So moving average here, this one is going to be 10 and it's going to be exponential, and we're making it blue. Click on OK. Great stuff. So this is real time. Right? The reason I avoid testing strategies on real time is because you have to wait for price to actually either reach your target in real time as you would somebody that is trading live, if you understand what I mean. So this to me is a complete waste of time, right? There's no way for you to be able to quantify whether that strategy works, whether you have to kind of tweak it to your liking, or make it work for you, if you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So this is the reason why I do not condone demo trading. Demo trading is just a complete waste of time. I would say to you, rather test your system, whether it's manual testing by means of going back in time like this here and doing it from there, or going back in time from this here and doing it there, or you could actually go to user automated system, right? So like I said, this is what I just want to demonstrate it real quickly. So let's, is this even, let me do this here real quickly. So this is, where's my buy? There's my buy open. It's not on yet. Okay, so there we go. So it's crossed over. Now we're waiting for price to actually move in accordance, right? So let's just say you're taking, let's just say, so that's where you will actually see all the data that you need. Let's make it black. So our stop is 30, our target is 30, right? So let's just say on average we want to take about 40 pips per trade, right? And our stop loss would be roundabout down there, which is 57 pips, but nonetheless for the purpose of the exercise, right? So this is how I test all of my strategies. Actually, I test my strategy basically. I don't like calling it strategy, but this is how I test my system to see the effectiveness of the system, right? So this is the 1 hour chart. So let's see, we're waiting on a crossover. It could hit our stop loss. There we go, it's just crossed over right now. So basically that's what you're basically doing. You just want to see the effectiveness of that strategy by means of the win rate of the strategy. How successful will it be when you start demo trading, forward trading, or even live trading, right? So yeah, demo trading is forward trading, as well as live trading is also forward trading, right? So the best way for you to gain experience with your strategy is if you do it like this, as if when you test your system on an automated system like I am right now, you stand a better chance actually at gaining more experience as well as winning your trades, provided that you have a working system. You know, you can test your system as many times as you want, and you know it'll give you confidence in the market whenever you know when you live trade basically, or even when you're on your demo, because you would know what it is that you're actually looking for. So this is how I test my strategy. See what I mean? Or my strategies. Actually, I have one system which I just constantly add on to it. It evolves with me as I go along, or you know, as I go into the market on a daily basis, monthly basis, weekly basis, doesn't really matter. But whatever I notice that gives me an edge in the market, that is exactly what I'm going to incorporate into my system, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's see. So let me see. So I used to use this strategy. There we go. It's just took profit right now. So I used to use a type of strategy that's somewhat similar to this, right? I'm not saying you should use it. This is not a strategy. Well, if you want to use it, by all means, go ahead. I'm not endorsing that you actually use it, right? And there is a lot of things that you need to kind of consider. Let me do this. This looks like it could go on for quite some time, but anyway, so this is how I actually test my system. Automated testing is the best way to go. This is how you gain experience. I'm gonna do a video on you know how you can actually get your MT4 to, you know, do what it's doing now in my case, basically how to get the testing software. It's a plugin that plugs in onto your MT4. I'm not too sure about about the MT5, but I think you can actually use it on MT5. I haven't tried it. I haven't attempted it. I'm still on MT4. I knew it's gonna go up, and now it's still continuing up. So there we go. So this is how I would actually test, and this is why testing is actually quite important. In my mind, testing is important because, you know, it recreates the market for you. Come on. And those are my high risk trades right there. This trade here, Euro Japan yen, is actually a high risk trade. I'm going all in on that one. I think I'm losing about more or less, I'm not too sure, more or less 80%. 80% of my overall account. But like I said, you need to know what you're doing in order for you to be able to take high risk trades like that. I don't recommend that you take high risk trades like you just seen mine. But anyway, so this is how you would conduct tests, right? So you take down all the inventory. Let me just stop it here real quickly. Pause. You go to results. Let's remove this tree. So you take inventory. There's the trade that we just put in there. So you take inventory. Let's say you run 100 tests. From those 100, you will get, you know, an answer of how many trades you actually lost and how many trades you actually won, right? And therefore, it will give you your win ratio. Not ratio, but your win rate. I would suggest that you actually test it for probably for 400 trades. Test it until you know what you're looking for, and you can do it in your sleep, as opposed to back testing it. So this is why you need to test it as opposed to forward testing, because like I said, forward testing, this is the forward testing chart. Forward testing, you depend on, you know, price, current price, to actually get to your target, or for the setup to actually come up in real time, like a normal person who's not really a normal person, but anyone who's you know, live trading basically. So I do not recommend that you demo trade. I recommend that you back test every system that you get, so that you can be able to be confident. And once you are confident, you can go ahead and deposit a small minimum amount into your live account and then start trading from there. So demo is not the way to go. But however, though, testing Automated testing is the way to go. Like I said, I will be uploading a much more detailed video regarding the the testing software that I actually use. It's for free, so I'll give it to you guys. You can download it and plug it into your MT4 system. If you're using a tablet or a phone, it won't work for you. You need the MT4 software on your computer. Anyway guys, thanks a lot once again for watching. I'll upload, look forward to that video, the more detailed video regarding the strategies, not the strategy, but regarding the trading, regarding the software. Anyway guys, thanks. It's been a minute. I'm out.